Hi everyone, I am Christine and welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View, and this video is going to be about evolving your mind. So, a few months ago, I started a program called the Overnight Millionaire. This particular program speaks all about evolving your mind, changing your mindset, and how to get ahead in life, teaching you to stop procrastinating, teaching you to train your mind into achieving what it is you need to get done. Training you how to visualize and manifest things that you want in the future and how to achieve it at a faster rate. So last weekend, I realized, during this quarantine time, everybody's inside and no one is really paying attention of what is going on in the world. And even though a lot of persons have lost their jobs, people are learning how to make money online. And if you don't pay attention, you'll be lost in the dust. I saw a place where I used to go to get my car serviced. They now sell BMW cars and minis. And although they still do service, they bought another property opposite the road to do the service. But the majority of the property where I used to get my car service, they have only a big showroom with BMW vehicles. So while I'm in here cooped up in my house, people are studying to make more money out here. And I'll use this opportunity to introduce you to the Done For You program that I have started. The Done For You program is an affiliate market program that they allow you to basically sell their products while you receive a commission, a very good commission at that. And they do everything for you. They do the website for you, they have developers for you, and they teach you how to do ads on YouTube and on Facebook, which is very busy at this time. See, not everyone is home. And a lot of persons have been making money. When I made my first sale, oh my gosh, I was so happy. It was the happiest. I jumped up and down like I was crazy. And I mean, this is what people are doing now. People are looking for ways to make other incomes online because you can't actually go outside and make money because you have to stay indoors. So why not make money online? And this is the perfect program to do so. So if you are interested in the Overnight Millionaire, evolving your mind, and opening your own business, making money online, making US dollars online, I will leave the both links below this video. So you can now evolve your mind and learn more while being quarantined at home. Thank you for tuning in with Chrissy's Point of View. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.